Hi, this is Daniel Etter. I'm a photojournalist and Canon Ambassador, and I'm currently talking to you from my living room in Berlin, Germany. You're probably spending a lot of time at home at the moment, and so am I. My work normally includes a lot of travel. It includes getting to places that are hard to access. But obviously, I can't really do that at the moment. So I want to share with you some insights into my work and probably something you can take into your own photography. So a while ago, I photographed in coal mines in Romania. It was really hard to get access. We had to negotiate for a month in advance in order to go down there and actually photograph these miners working. Down in the mines, it was probably one of the most challenging places I've ever worked in. It was extremely confined. It was dark, it was hot, it was humid. The only light source down there were these headlamps of these miners that were constantly moving. Their works obviously leaves very visible traces on their faces. Dust of the coal gets everywhere. It's in your hair, it's in your ears, it's in your nose. If you don't know how to clean your back properly, you end up with a lot of coal in your bed at night, as did I. So I wanted to capture these portraits that really translated the hard work they're doing. So I didn't have a huge studio setup with me. What I did was just look around for a nice background and for an indirect light source. And just with this combination, I was able to create really striking, dramatic images. So maybe you're spending a lot of time with your family at the moment, and maybe it's something you can do in your own photography. Just try to find a nice background, try to find indirect light, and you can take really striking portraits, and these could serve as a reminder of the time you all went through together. I'd be excited to see what you come up with, so please share your images with the hashtag below, and in the next video I'll choose a few and I'll talk about them, and really looking forward to see what you did. Over the next few weeks, me and my fellow Canon ambassadors will share insights into our work and tips you can incorporate into your own photography. So please subscribe to our channels and we'll meet again.